Okay, I have to be honest with you. Last year, I spent 2 hours and 20 minutes on Instagram every single day. I know, I checked my screen time and felt genuinely embarrassed. But here's the part that actually hurt me. My friend Marcus, same phone, same Wi-Fi, living in the same city as me, was making $2,200 a month doing something on that same internet while I was watching a guy cook pasta at 1.5x speed. I didn't lack time, I didn't lack data, I didn't even lack skills. I just lacked one thing, the knowledge that the internet was already paying people like me, and nobody told me. So today, I am telling you. The average American spends 4 hours and 10 minutes on their phone daily. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Now, I am not going to give you the whole time is money lecture. You have heard that. It doesn't work. But here is what actually got me. The same apps you are using to consume, Instagram, YouTube, even Facebook, are being used by other people to earn. Not influencers, not people with millions of followers, regular people. Same cities, same salaries, same phones. The only difference between you and them is not talent. It is just the direction the content is flowing. They create, you consume. Instagram pays them. Instagram charges them nothing. You create nothing, Instagram still charges you nothing, but also pays you nothing. Same app, completely different financial outcome. Let me tell you about Marcus properly. Marcus is not a YouTuber. He is not an influencer. He has 280 Instagram followers. He is a 29-year-old accountant in Austin, Texas, earning $52,000 a year. In 2023, he started doing one small thing on the side. He noticed small businesses around his neighborhood, a bakery, a barbershop, a local gym, were spending $400 to $600 per month on a social media person who was doing a terrible job. Marcus knew basic Canva, basic caption writing, basic posting schedule. He walked into the bakery, showed him 3 sample posts he made in one evening. They said yes, $500 per month, one client. He did the same thing with 2 more businesses the next month. Month 3, $1,500 extra. Month 6, $2,800 extra. Today, Marcus earns more from his weekend work than from his Monday to Friday job. He did not quit his job, he did not take a course, he did not buy a ring light. He just offered a skill he already had to people who already needed it and were already paying someone else for it. Okay, so I am not going to give you a list of 47 ways to earn online. You have seen those videos. They don't work because they overwhelm you and you end up doing none of them. I am giving you 4, only 4. Each one is real, each one works for regular Americans. Each one needs 0 investment. Way 1, sell a skill you already use at work. You are doing something at your job that someone outside your job needs. Excel, content writing, bookkeeping, HR processes, data entry, graphic design. Platforms? Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal. Starting income? $300 to $800 first month. Time needed? 2 weekend hours per week. The only reason you haven't done this is you don't think your skill is worth paying for. It is. Someone is already paying your company for it. Your company's just not sharing that part with you. Way 2, local business social media. This is the Marcus method, and it works in every American city. Every shop, every clinic, every restaurant within 2 miles of your house needs Instagram and Google presence, and is either paying badly for it or paying nothing and suffering for it. You do not need to be a designer. You need Canva, a phone, and 3 sample posts. Walk in, show them. Charge $400 to $700 per month. Get 3 clients. That is $1,200 to $2,100 for 6 to 8 hours of weekend work per month. This is not theory. This is what Marcus did. This is what I personally know works. Way 3, teach what you know on video. I know what you're thinking. I am not an expert. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be 6 months ahead of someone who is just starting. If you know how to file taxes, negotiate a salary, or use Excel beyond basic formulas, there are 10 people in your building who don't and will pay to watch you explain it clearly. YouTube, Instagram, even paid Zoom workshops. Starting income? Slow. $200 to $500 month 3. But this one compounds. The Marcus method gives you money now. This one gives you money forever. Way 4, Affiliate income from things you already use. This one requires the least effort, and most Americans completely ignore it. Every product you use, your credit card, your insurance app, your investment platform, your laptop, has an affiliate or referral program. Robinhood pays per referral. Amazon affiliate pays 4 to 8%. NerdWallet pays per lead. Coinbase paid $10 per sign up for years. You recommended your phone to your coworker last month for free. The company would have paid you $40 if you had shared your referral link instead. You left $40 on the table from a conversation you were already having with a person you were already talking to.
I want to be real with you for a second. I am not going to tell you this is easy. The first month, you will feel stupid. You will apply on Fiverr and get 0 responses. You will walk into a shop and they will say no. You will post a video and get 14 views. That is normal. Marcus got rejected by 4 businesses before the bakery said yes. The difference between people who earn online and people who don't is not skill level. It is who was willing to feel stupid for 30 days longer. That is actually it. 30 days of uncomfortable action versus 30 days of comfortable reels. Both take the same time. Only one pays.
So here is where I leave you. Tonight, before you open Instagram, open Fiverr instead. Create a profile. It takes 20 minutes. Or open Canva. Make 3 sample posts for a business near your house. Walk in tomorrow. Or just copy your Robinhood referral link and send it to that one friend who keeps asking you which investing app to use. One action. Tonight, not next week. Because Marcus is not special. He just started on a Tuesday evening when everyone else was watching Reels. If this made you slightly uncomfortable, good. Share it with one person who needs to hear this. They know who they are.